Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Libras. We are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Libras. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Libras, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you want clarity, if you need some answers for some questions you have in your mind about your circumstances, you can stay tuned, guys, so that may clear your doubts, give you clarity, Libras. So let's start with these cards first for your general energies. We have Messenger of Air, Seven of Water and Nine of Air. So in your situation, guys, Libras, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. Maybe today you are thinking about your past, maybe, and based on that experience, you are planning everything today, guys. You are thinking in the same way. Maybe you relate your situation to something of the past and you are deciding something based on that knowledge you have about that situation you faced. But sometimes you need to be really present, see what is happening today, guys. So instead of thinking over something that has happened and deciding on something based on that, it is not going to give you clarity today, guys. So you must give up all negativity if you feel some kind of a negative emotion towards your situation today. You just need to understand that there are better opportunities coming your way. You just need to have that grit and perseverance, patience to wait or see those changes appearing in your life today. So maybe it is time for you to forgive yourself or forgive that other person if it is a situation in your relationship or even in your career situation. Someone has wronged you and you feel really bad about that, guys. And that has left a mark in your heart and you are unable to overcome that. But maybe today, Libras, you must learn from the pain and the hurt you felt and not feel sad or emotional about that. You just need to go for the lessons you have learnt in that past situation, guys. And maybe you have a lot of dreams and goals to reach, but your past is holding you back. So you need to let go of all that negativity, guys. So someone has wronged you, but what to do now? Simply brooding over the past is not going to help you in any way, guys. So if you want to move forward, you should forgive and forget the pain you felt and move on positively. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. We have Page of Earth. So with this card in your relationship, guys, you are someone with perseverance. That is what I was talking about. Someone with that grit and strong headed, strong willed, and you are practical. You want to work things out and you are looking for the options to make this relationship work for you. And you are someone who is a really genuine person at heart and you are someone ready to do anything and everything possible in your limits to make things go in the right way for you guys. And that may be the reason you are attracting a new relationship. So someone is coming towards you, someone who will match uh, your ways of thinking, or who will be a perfect match is coming towards you, Libras. So for your career situation, guys, we have 10 of water. So with this card, it just means that you have a very positive turn of events in your career situation. Things are going well. You feel happy, you feel satisfied, peace of mind, and harmony in your career situation, Libras. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. Libras, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. If this reading resonates and if you like this reading, please like and comment, guys. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have Aura Light. So it is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that being really mindful of your present situation. So are you really aware of what is going on in your present situation? Are you being truly attentive to its qualities and patterns? So in your relationship, you need to observe and find out what is working so you can build this relationship on that, or what is not working so you can address that, make some changes to that. So being present in your relationship, being truly aware and paying attention, observing without judgment, and just watching what is happening instead of spinning a story of what should have been or what it ought to be. So instead of saying something after that, you should be present, be aware, keep your eyes open, and that way you will be able to deepen your love and make this connection a better one. So your ability to be present, that is what is going to help you. And you have many distractions. That may be the reason we have this card, guys. So something is distracting away, taking your attention away from this relationship. But if you are attentive today, you will make this relationship a positive, meaningful relationship. That is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is a reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is Fork in the Road. So with this card, it just means that you are making some important decisions today. So whether you are going right or left in this relationship, and deciding on a particular choice, and be prepared for all that consequences you face with that choice today, guys. So in your relationship, you have reached a moment of truth. So will you move towards a possibility of a deeper love, maybe with open communication, with truth and honesty and trust involved, going deeper with that other person, or just walk away. So, this is the time to take responsibility for your truest desires of your heart, what you honestly feel within yourself about your love, and what you are willing to do for this connection, guys. So, there is no wrong choice here, guys. It is just the way you are moving based on the truth of your heart. So if you want this love, you are going to deepen this love. But if it is something other than love, you are going towards that. So all roads will lead to the lessons you need to learn in this relationship, guys. So regardless of the decision you are making, it will place you on the path that will give you the truest experience of your heart. So if you like this person, you are going to deepen this love. If not, you are going to move away. But your choice is nothing wrong, but the choices based on truth of your heart, that is going to make the difference here, guys. So for those who chose this card, you should make true choices. That is what this card is about, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.